To show your today's screen time, when you tap the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap widget. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to digital well-being until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, go to your lock screen. Tap the clock. You can see that your today's screen time will be displayed here. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.